Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. I'm going to show you how you can share your VPN to your PS4, the VPN on your computer. We are going to share it with a LAN cable to the PS4. So this is how it's done. Use the Windows key and R at the same time for this Windows to pop up the run windows and type in this ncpa.cpl and press OK. This is going to open the network connection, and in the network connection this is the LAN cable that goes to the PS4. This is the tab window adapter. This is for the VPN. All VPNs use adapters, and this is mine, and this is my Wi-Fi that connects to the PC. So Wi-Fi to the VPN and VPN to the PS4. So let's first disable the I'm getting a normal internet now. Let's disable that. You don't need to do this. And if you want to share the VPN to the Ethernet, you are going to right click on the Ethernet to the VPN and go to the properties. In here you are going to press sharing and allow other networks to use this, enable it, and select the network. So if you want to share it over Wi-Fi, if you want to connect the PS4 through Wi-Fi and not the LAN cable, you can use this. But I'm connected with the LAN cable, so I'm going to use the Ethernet. And when I press OK and yes, this network shared to this one. Now with this I can use PC VPN or even network to share it to the PS4. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.